Most people who first hear about Bitcoin usually want to know how to make money with Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is a digital currency as well as a store of value asset, it also enables individuals to make money with it. Watch until the end to discover 5 ways you can make money with Bitcoin that actually work. Buy and hold. Arguably the most popular way to, potentially, make money with Bitcoin is to buy and hold, or HODL, it. Hodling means buying Bitcoin and holding onto it for the long term. But why would you want to do that? Well, Bitcoin has been built in a way that the value of the digital currency will increase over time as more and more people and businesses adopt the digital currency because the increasing demand is met with a finite supply. As a result, Bitcoin is poised to increase in value over time. At least, that is what has happened since the cryptocurrency's inception. Though there's no guarantee that Bitcoin's price will continue to go up, especially in the short term, hodling Bitcoin in the long term in spite of the price changes probably makes sense. Buying and hodling Bitcoin can be done in a few ways. However, the easiest way is to buy some Bitcoin on an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, or through a Bitcoin-only broker. Then, you store your coins safely in a personal wallet to which only you hold the private keys. After buying Bitcoin, you can then hold onto it and wait for its price to go up. Trading Bitcoin. Bitcoin trading is the process of buying and selling Bitcoins in the crypto market. What you need to do to trade Bitcoin is to find a reputable Bitcoin broker or exchange, deposit some money into your account, and start trading. However, there are a few things you need to know before you start trading Bitcoin. First, you need to understand the basics of how the market works. Second, you need to know how to trade. Thirdly, you need a trading strategy and basic risk management controls in place to ensure that you maximize your chances of making steady trading revenues. If you don't know what you're doing in terms of participating in trading, then you will be running the risk of losing your money. Therefore, before you start trading in Bitcoin, you must first do some research and be aware of the potential risks related to Bitcoin trading. Bitcoin lending. Bitcoin lending is another way to make money with Bitcoin, allowing you to earn interest on your Bitcoin holdings. Though interest rates can vary from platform to platform, they are typically higher than traditional lending platforms. To get started on Bitcoin lending, you will need to create an account on a lending platform. Once you have created an account, you will need to buy or deposit your Bitcoin into the platform. After your Bitcoin is deposited, you will be able to start lending it out and earning interest on it. The amount of interest you earn will depend on the platform you are using and the terms of the loan. Once the loan period is up, you will receive your Bitcoin back plus the interest earned. You can then withdraw your earnings or reinvest them into another loan to continue earning more interest. However, some platforms also pay the interest out regularly. Lending platforms usually have a minimum amount that you can deposit and lend out. This minimum varies from platform to platform. Bitcoin cashback rewards. Bitcoin cashback rewards offer yet another method of making money with Bitcoin. There are a few different ways to go about earning BTC through Bitcoin cashback rewards, with the most popular being through a service like Bitrefill or Lolly. With Bitrefill, for instance, you can shop at any of their supported online stores and earn Bitcoin cashback rewards. All you need to do is buy products and services linked to the platform and receive your cashback rewards in your Bitrefill account. Whenever you make a purchase, you'll automatically receive a certain percentage of that purchase back in Bitcoin. Lolly is a similar service, but it's specifically built for shopping at online retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy. Again, you shop as normal, after which you'll earn a certain percentage of each purchase back in Bitcoin, which you can then either keep or spend as you please. There are other ways to earn Bitcoin cashback rewards as well, such as through certain credit cards or other Bitcoin cashback platforms. If you're looking to earn some extra money with your Bitcoin, be sure to check out all available Bitcoin cashback options available in your region. Earning money with Bitcoin is real. There are tens of thousands of people doing just that. Your available cash and appetite for risk will guide you in which method you choose, but do choose. This method of passive income generation works, but not unless you start. Thanks for watching until the end. If you feel as though you received some real value from this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons on the way out so we know to deliver more content like this. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.